we invited few of the BizThon participants to share their thoughts on stage with us about their journey. I would like to invite Mr. Thakur Patel from Deflix, Mr. Sriram from Ville, Mr. Guru from Karma, and Mr. Hashim from Soft AI. These are young entrepreneurs, young minds who had the passion and the courage to take the first step. And as Lao Tzu says, the journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single small step. So here's the first step, guys. A big round of applause for their courage. Let's actually encourage them and applaud them for their courage. Great work, guys.
Okay, guys, so let's begin our session, our discussion. And the topic of this panel discussion is journey to crypto. Okay, so TDeFi BizThon, it's a business hackathon on blockchain, which has given, a kind of a pivotal, support to bring ideas into reality, right? So as theme suggests, and as Rishabh said, that walk in as an idea and walk out as a fully funded business. So we have invited startups to join us, TDeFi ecosystem. And we have some young entrepreneurs over here who has joined us, and they are going to tell us about themselves and about their product as well. So my first question is to please introduce yourself and tell us about your product as well. Let's start.
Hello, everyone. I am Thakur Patel, and I am the founder of Deflix. So what Deflix does, it allows fractional ownership of movies after representing it as tokens. And after that, we have generated a movie market through which you can trade your movie NFTs. And any person who owns the NFT owns a fraction of the stream of money which comes if any user across the platform watches the movie. So that is what Deflix is. Thank you.
I'm Sriram. I'm the business analyst of Ville. So the basic idea of Ville is just to gamify the experience of yield farming. So we all know the game Farmville, right? So we'll be giving a similar interface to Ville. So you won't have to you won't have to interface with the protocols directly. We will aggregate all those yield farming for you, and you will be given it will be just similar to playing a game. So that's Ville.
Yeah, so hi, I'm Kumaraguru, and I'm the co-founder at Karma, which is an NFT marketplace powered with NFT marketplace, which is blended with freelancing platform. So what we do is we basically connect clients with designers and content creators who can help the other clients by monetizing their own designs. So that is what we do, and yeah.
Hello, my name is Abdul Hashim, CEO of Soft AI based in Nigeria. So what we do is we build air quality measuring sensors deployed across sub-Saharan Africa, and we incentivize the users using data credits and HNTs. So we have deployed across 3 countries, Nigeria, Ghana, and Sierra Leone, and we're looking to extend into East Africa in the coming months.
So let's move on to the second and very important question. What is your motivation, what brings you to crypto ecosystem?
Well, at first, I was interested in how to use renewable energy. And then I came across smart grid, which is the current technology which everybody is discovering, research and inventing. So when I researched across that, I needed to find a solution for an energy distribution platform. That is when I chanced upon blockchain and how it works in energy trading. After that, I started from a developing background into the blockchain industry, into the crypto industry, and I have been participating in hackathons ever since. Each hackathon, I learned something new. It's a different technology stack, and that's how I started my journey. I've won every hackathon since.
That's great. To you too.
My journey to blockchain started with crypto trading. At first, I didn't know the technical background of blockchain or anything else. So when I got curious to know about the technical background. So when I got to know about blockchain, it's so simple. The idea of blockchain is just a new way to store data, but yet so disruptive. The most what I like the most about blockchain is it's a transparency. So if there are two types of services: public services and private services. Public services should be transparent, but here it's just the opposite. But we need to have private blockchains for personal use and public blockchains for government purposes. So that's how I got into blockchain. So then I met some great people here. So that's how we started CryptoVille.
That's wonderful. So coming to you.
Yes. So being a teenager, blockchain is considered to be a very vague domain, and people don't usually come into it. They usually have fears, and there's a lot of myths around blockchain. But actually, when you come into it, it's like very interesting, and it's really a very interesting domain, and you can keep going forward, and there are endless opportunities here. So I was just sticking to the endless opportunities, finding new people, and just thinking for ideas which can be disruptive for the future. So that's how I came into blockchain.
We hope so.
So I come from a background of software engineering. Traditionally, I started by making mobile games, which are still available on the App Store and the Play Store. Then I went into making traditional apps using Flutter and React Native. And then I did a bit of machine learning, data science at the surface level. And then I transitioned into I've made a few blockchain wallets, which are also available on the Play Store. And eventually, I now went into having my own startup. So that's a bit of my journey into blockchain.
Any specific incidents do you guys remember, like, you want to share that, that makes it very strong, that your, inclination towards blockchain or crypto? Any incidents?
What I felt from my experience with the blockchain ecosystem is that it is really helpful. We are a growing ecosystem, and if I ask anybody for help, be it development related or the business related, there is always someone from one ecosystem or another to help me out. And this is and I could not find this in the other technologies which I've worked in. So I think this togetherness which we have as, growing ahead, this is what is going to keep us strong, and this is what is my most favorite thing about blockchain.
Wow. Yeah, please, you can
So
share
one
that.
thing which I would give a comment about BizThon is that it has helped me network with all these people, because I don't know about all of them and all their startups before coming here. But after coming here, it's very good to meet all these people and discuss about our projects and grow together as an ecosystem. So we also found a lot of mentors and a lot of investors here. We were able to see and find the business perspective of how things work. So this event deserves the credit for that. Yeah.
Definitely, definitely. Abdul?
The community moves really fast, and it's really exciting to be a part of it. So my most recent project on the Chia blockchain, I was supposed to create a wallet for different Chia derivatives. So it was really challenging because there was poor documentation. But what I found interesting was the community support and how everyone was willing to come together to assist. So that really motivated me to stick with it.
All right, so my last question would be, just share your experience, how TDeFi helps, TDeFi ecosystem helped you to, reach here, to motivates you, and please share your experience on that.
So as I've previously said, I started from a development background, and TDeFi was the first business hackathon which I have participated. Then I got to talk to amazing people like Rishabh. He gave me a business perspective of how to go ahead with the project and the product and to develop it better. And I believe that is my biggest take. Other than meeting all of these amazing people from different projects, this has been wonderful, like networking. They gave us a chance to network, and I saw a lot of projects. It's a very big event, and allowing us, to participate in it, coming all the way here to Dubai at World Trade Center. This, I can't thank you enough.
So for most projects, the easiest thing is the developing side. The, but the more, it doesn't matter if you have a good product or not. It won't be useful if no one knows about it. So that's where TDeFi comes in. TDeFi is very helpful for business marketing and communication, like he said before. Thank you.
Yeah, just like he told, TDeFi helps us to transition from projects to products. So that's very helpful. Being technical developers, this event has given us a very good overview of how businesses work. So
Yeah, the exposure that TDeFi provides is extremely valuable. I come from a very technical background, so being able to see how a little bit of the business side works has been extremely beneficial.
That's amazing. So guys, we are open for question. If anybody is having any question about the products, about... Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much and all the very best for your startups. And TDeFi rocks like always. And next year we are gonna have a bigger and bigger arena.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.